Differential equations. An equation of the form dy by dx is equal to g of x, where y is equal to f of x, is known as a differential equation. These equations have variety of applications in physics, chemistry, anthropology, geology, economics, etc. In this chapter, we discuss about basic concepts related to differential equation, general and particular solutions of a differential equation, formation of a differential equations, some methods to solve a first order, first degree differential equation, and some applications of differential equations in different areas. Basic concepts. Consider the following equations. X cube minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. Sin x plus cos square x is equal to 0. X plus y is equal to 5. And x into dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. In these given examples, the first three equations involve independent and dependent variables only. But last equation involves variables as well as derivative of the dependent variable y with respect to the independent variable x. Such an equation is called a differential equation. In general, an equation involving derivative of the dependent variable with respect to independent variable is called a differential equation. Order of a differential equation. Order of a differential equation is defined as the order of the highest order derivative of the dependent variable with respect to the independent variable involved in the given differential equation. The order of the differential equation dy by dx minus sin x is equal to 7 is 1. The order of the differential equation d square y by dx square plus 3 into dy by dx plus 8 is equal to 0 is 2. And the order of the differential equation d cube y by dx cube plus x square into d square y by dx square plus 3 is equal to 0 is 3. Degree of a differential equation. To find the degree of a differential equation, the differential equation must be a polynomial equation in derivatives. That is, it should be a polynomial equation in terms of dy by dx, d square y by dx square, etc. For example, d cube y by dx cube plus 2 into d square y by dx square whole square minus dy by dx plus y is equal to 0 is a polynomial equation in y triple dash, y double dash and y dash. Similarly, dy by dx whole square plus dy by dx minus sin square y is equal to 0 is also a polynomial differential equation in dy by dx. Degree of such differential equations can be defined. But differential equations of the form dy by dx plus log of dy by dx is equal to 0 are not a polynomial, therefore their degree cannot be defined. Therefore, degree of the differential equation is the highest power of the highest order derivative involved in the given differential equation. Order and degree of a differential equation are always positive integers. General and particular solutions of a differential equation. In our earlier classes, we solved the equations of the type x plus 7 is equal to 0, x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0, cos square x minus sin x is equal to 0, etc. Solutions of these equations are real numbers, complex numbers or angles which will satisfy the given equation. That is, when that number is substituted for the unknown x in the given equation, left hand side becomes equal to the right hand side. Now, consider the differential equation d square y by dx square plus y is equal to 0. The solution of this differential equation is a function phi that will satisfy it. That is, when the function phi is substituted for the unknown y in the given differential equation, left hand side becomes equal to right hand side. The curve y is equal to phi of x is called the solution curve of the given differential equation. Consider the function given by y is equal to phi of x is equal to a sin of x plus b, where a, b belongs to real numbers. When this function and its derivative are substituted in the equation, d square y by dx square plus y is equal to 0. Left hand side will become equal to right hand side. So, it is a solution of the differential equation d square y by dx square plus y is equal to 0. Let a and b be given some particular values. Say a is equal to 2 and b is equal to pi by 4. Then we get a function y is equal to phi 1 of x is equal to 2 sin x plus pi by 4. When this function and its derivatives are substituted in the equation, d square y by dx square plus y is equal to 0. Again, we observe that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore, phi 1 is also a solution of the equation d square y by dx square plus y is equal to 0. Therefore, the function phi consists of two arbitrary constants a, b, and it is called general solution of the given differential equation, whereas function phi 1 contains no arbitrary constants but only the particular values of parameters a and b, and hence it is called a particular solution of the given differential equation. That is, the solution which contains arbitrary constants is called the general solution of the differential equation, and the solution obtained from the general solution by giving particular values to the arbitrary constants is called a particular solution of the differential equation. Formation of a differential equation whose general solution is given. We know that the equation x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y minus 4 is equal to 0 represents a circle with center 1, 2 and radius 3 units. Differentiating this equation with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to 1 minus x by y minus 2, which is a differential equation. Let us consider the equation x square plus y square is equal to r square. By giving different values to r, we get different members of a family. That is, for r is equal to 1, we get x square plus y square is equal to 1. For r is equal to 2, x square plus y square is equal to 4. For r is equal to 3, x square plus y square is equal to 9, etc. Therefore, the equation x square plus y square is equal to r square represents a family of concentric circles centered at the origin and having different radii. Now, we have to find a differential equation that is satisfied by each member of the family. The differential equation must be free from r because r is different for different members of the family. Therefore, the differential equation is obtained by differentiating the equation x square plus y square is equal to r square with respect to x. That is, 2x plus 2y into dy by dx is equal to 0 or x plus y into dy by dx is equal to 0. This differential equation represents the family of concentric circles given by the equation x square plus y square is equal to r square. Again, consider the equation y is equal to mx plus c. We know that this equation represents a straight line with slope m and y-intercept c. By giving different values to the parameters m and c, we get different members of the family. That is, y is equal to x for m is equal to 1 and c is equal to 0. y is equal to root 3x for m is equal to root 3 and c is equal to 0, and y is equal to x plus 1 for m is equal to 1 and c is equal to 1, and y is equal to minus x minus 1 if the slope m is equal to minus 1 and y-intercept c is equal to minus 1, etc. Therefore, the equation y is equal to mx plus c represents the family of straight lines where m and c are parameters. Now, we find a differential equation that is satisfied by each member of the family. Further, the equation must be free from m and c because m and c are different for different members of the family. Differentiating y is equal to mx plus c with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to m. This differential equation again contains a parameter m. Therefore, differentiating this differential equation again with respect to x, we get d square y by dx square is equal to 0, which is free from the parameters m and c. Therefore, the equation d square y by dx square is equal to 0 represents the family of straight lines given by the equation y is equal to mx plus c. Hence, the equation x square plus y square is equal to r square is a solution for the differential equation x plus y into dy by dx is equal to 0, and the equation y is equal to mx plus c is the solution for the differential equation d square y by dx square is equal to 0. Methods of solving first order first degree differential equations. Differential equations with variables separable. A first order first degree differential equation is of the form dy by dx is equals to f of x comma y. If f of x comma y can be expressed as a product of g of x into h of y, where g of x is a function of x and h of y is a function of y, then the differential equation dy by dx is equal to f of xy is said to be of variable separable type. That is, dy by dx is equal to h of y into g of x. If h of y is not equal to 0, then the equation dy by dx is equal to h of y into g of x can be rewritten as 1 by h of y dy is equal to g of x dx. Integrating both the sides, we get integration of 1 by h of y dy is equal to integration of g of x dx. This equation provides the solution of the given differential equation in the form h of y is equal to g of x plus c. Here, h of y and g of x are the antiderivatives of 1 by h of y and g of x respectively, and c is the arbitrary constant. Homogeneous differential equations. Let us take some functions. Let f1 of xy is equal to y square minus 2xy, f2 of xy is equals to 2x plus 3y, f3 of xy is equal to sine of y by x, and f4 of xy is equal to cos x plus sine y. Now, if we replace x and y by lambda x and lambda y respectively in the above functions, for any non-zero constants lambda, we get f1 of lambda x lambda y is equal to lambda square into y square minus 2xy, which is equal to lambda square into f1 of x comma y. f2 of lambda x comma lambda y is equal to lambda of 2x plus 3y, which is written as lambda into f2 of x comma y. f3 of lambda x lambda y is equal to sine of lambda y by lambda x, which is equal to sine of y by x, which is lambda power 0 into f3 of x comma y, and f4 of lambda x comma lambda y is equal to cos of lambda x plus sin of lambda y, which is not equal to lambda power n into f4 of x comma y for any natural numbers belongs to capital N. We observe that the functions f1, f2, f3 can be written in the form f of lambda x comma lambda y, which is equal to lambda power n into f of x comma y, but f4 cannot be written in this form. A function f of xy is said to be homogeneous function of degree n if f of lambda x comma lambda y is equal to lambda power n of f of xy for any non-zero constant lambda. We can observe that the example what we discussed, f1, f2, f3 are homogeneous functions of degree 2, 1 and 0 respectively, but f4 is not a homogeneous function. Again, f1 of x comma y can be rewritten as f1 of xy is equal to x square into h1 of y by x, or f1 of xy is equal to y square into h2 of x by y. Similarly, f2 of xy can be written as x power 1 into h3 of y by x, or f2 of xy is equal to y power 1 into h4 of x by y, and f3 of xy can be written as x power 0 into h5 of y by x. But the function f4 of xy is not equal to x power n of h6 of y by x for any n belongs to capital N, or f4 of x comma y is not equal to y n of h7 of x by y for any n belongs to natural numbers. A differential equation of the form dy by dx is equal to f of xy is said to be homogeneous if f of xy is a homogeneous function of degree 0. To solve a homogeneous differential equation of the type dy by dx is equal to f of xy, which is equal to g of y by x, we make the substitution y is equal to vx. Now differentiating y is equal to vx with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Now substituting the value of dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx in the equation dy by dx is equal to g of y by x, we get v plus x into dv by dx is equal to g of v. That is, x into dv by dx is equal to g of v minus v. Separating the variables in this equation, we get dv by g of v minus v is equal to dx by x. Integrating both the sides, we get integration of dv by g of v minus v is equal to integration of dx by x plus c. This equation gives general solution of the differential equation dy by dx is equal to f of xy when we replace v by y by x. If the homogeneous differential equation is in the form dx by dy is equal to f of xy, where f of xy is a homogeneous function of degree 0, then we make substitution x by y is equal to v, that is x is equal to vy, and proceed further to find general solution by writing dx by dy is equal to f of xy, which is equal to h of x by y. Linear differential equations. A differential equation of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where p and q are constants, or functions of x only is known as a first order linear differential equation. Another form of first order linear differential equation is dx by dy plus p1 into x is equals to q1, where p1 and q1 are constants or functions of y only. Steps to solve first order linear differential equation. Step 1. Write the given differential equation in the form dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q, where p, q are constants or functions of x only. Step 2. Find the integrating factor if is equal to e to the power integration of p dx. Write the solution of the given differential equation as y into integrating factor is equal to integration of q into integrating factor dx plus c. If the first order linear differential equation is in the form dx by dy plus p1 into x is equal to q1, where p1 and q1 are constants or functions of y only, then integrating factor is equal to e to the power of integration of p1 into dy, and the solution of the differential equation is given by x into integrating factor is equal to integration of q1 into integrating factor dy plus c.